everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these Laura Geller palettes. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So I'm going to be showing you how I created this look right here today, using their foundation brush, their foundation powder, and then this kit right here. But let's go ahead, get into this, and I'm going to show you how I created this look. So let me start out by showing you some of the kits. So we have this kit right here, which is Laura Geller, the best of the best baked full face basics. So you have eyeshadows, highlights, blush, and a bronzer in here. So you have stone, almond, and oyster on eyeshadows, which are this, and they're all labeled. You have your blush. This is your highlights, and that is your bronzer right there. So, and it tells you how to kind of like apply it back here. My ring light's kind of reflecting off of it. And then with this kit, which I will be putting this down in the description box below if you guys want to check it out, because right now she's having a sale on this kit, and it's not always on sale. I got this retractable angled Kabuki brush right here. And this is the idea for loose press powders. So this is what it looks like. And you can kind of make it how dense you want it, or how light, just by moving this up, which makes it really nice. And then it comes with the Baked Balance-n-Brighten foundation. And it is a Baked Balance-n-Bright color correcting foundation. So let's start off by putting the foundation on. I already cleansed my skin and everything, so I don't have to do that. My mom's actually the one that told me about this, so that's why I actually got it, because she was telling me how great it was. So I was like, well, let me see how great this is, and then I'm going to share it on my channel. That's what it looks like, the foundation powder. And it does have a little mirror in here. So it did come with this brush, so that's what I'm going to use to apply it. It just kind of feels weird. I'm so used to just regular foundation. So I'm just going to press this in there. So far, I don't see anything. I don't feel like it's giving me any coverage whatsoever. I mean, the only thing that it did was take away my shine. But let me try this right here. Yeah, it's not giving any coverage. I'm like swirling it to see if that helps. So, I don't know. To me, this is not like at all the kind of coverage. Like, I do see that it did take away these like red tones, but I feel like you're just going to have to use so much to kind of cover up everything. It's just really not giving any coverage. Maybe if you put it like over a foundation. I'm trying to use this the way it came, because this is supposed to be like an all-in-one kit. Let's see if it gets that red spot out there. So it does cover up red pretty well, because you can see I just put it over that. So it's just making it look like my skin, but just kind of taking out all the different other tones that are in my skin. See, I had a little bit red. So I guess it is working. Okay, so as you can see, It really did take away all the red tones and everything, but it looks like my skin. You do kind of see like a little bit of stuff peeking through right there. I was trying to see how well, like how much I could build it, but I think that's pretty much it, about like that. So it does look very natural. It just kind of conceals everything. I need to get my neck a little more. I don't think it really does much to the neck because there's really no red tones in there. So that's what that looks like. I did go in quite a few times with this just to get it enough coverage to where I felt like it was like, didn't look too bad. I think this would look really good over just like a really light foundation, and then putting this on top of it, I think that would kind of take it over, but I kind of just want to use everything as is in the kit. Now I'm going to go in with some bronzer, so I'm going to take this right here, which is your bronzer, and it does come with a big mirror in this palette, so I'm going to use the mirror. So I'm just going to use the same brush, kind of make it a little, go in a little more to make it a little more dense. I'm just going to pat it in here. Again, I'm used to a little more darker shade than this. This does seem like really light. It seems like more like a highlight than a bronzer. But this is supposed to be better for like more mature skin. I did just turn 38. So I do need to start just being more cautious to what I'm wearing. Although my skin doesn't look too bad for my age, I do notice that my pores are kind of getting big because I do have super oily skin. So now I'm going to go underneath my neck with this. Trying to center it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my blush, which of course everything is marked, so it's going to be this one right here. Okay, so they say older skin, you're not supposed to put the blush all the way down. You're supposed to keep it in this like little area. It's supposed to lift the face. I've always put it on my cheeks. And I like the way that looks, so I don't care how. So I just bring a little bit of it on the cheeks like that. So they have two different highlights. One's a more matte highlight and one's a more shimmery. I'm going to take the matte one and I'm just going to place it like, probably shouldn't have got that close underneath my eye. That really did brighten everything. So I did that for now. Now I'm going to go in with eyeshadows. So it does have these 3 different eyeshadows. I'm going to start off with the middle one, which is Stone, because that one looks like it would be the mattest one. Going in with a flat brush. And I'm just going to pop this all over the eye to start out with. This is definitely a different experience to doing your makeup when you're used to wearing, I pretty much wear all liquids. The only powder I usually put on my face is eyeshadows. But yeah, normally it's all liquids. So then I'm going to get like a more dense kind of brush, and I'm going to go in with the highlight shade. I'm going to put that like right here. Ooh, that's very highlight. Trying to kind of just lift up this area right here. That's just going to give a more lifted effect. I'm going to put it right there here. Kind of bringing it in a little bit. Just through there. So I don't want it to be too much. I just want it to make my eyes look a little bigger. And then I'm going to go in with that dark shade, which is Almond, with the little fluffy brush. And I'm going to just kind of build that in on the outer corner. And slightly bring it in right there. So this is just going to give you a little more like definition to your eyes. This is actually a really pretty look. I'm not going like too crazy with it. Just trying to get some color. And then I'm going to take that same one that I did the highlight, kind of get some of that product off on the back of my hand. I'm going to go in with that dark almond shade. I'm going to go underneath my eyes with it. I'm guessing my skin's like super dry. It's probably the face mask that I've been using. So you see, you just kind of put it under your eyes and you can see how much prettier this looks than this side. So pretty much like that. I'm going to try to see if you can't like contour your nose a little bit with that bronze shade. So I'm going to take that baked bronzer and I'm just going to put it on this side of my nose. And you can actually see that color really good like that. Really trying to blend that in. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that really light. Ooh, that's kind of really light. That really light shade and just kind of highlight just a little bit with it. Which I probably shouldn't put on my nose like that. So I'm just going to kind of fade it, blend it, just soften it. So that is what a full face of this Laura Geller makeup looks like. It's actually really pretty. I just need like something on my lips, like a lip gloss, and I'd be good to go. So that's like a close up. So it looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. My skin is really dry right now because I've been getting, like I said, that red, those like red little dots on my face since I got back from vacation. I think it was just like changing altitudes and stuff kind of broke out my skin, and it covered all that really well. Like I just look really youthful right now. Sorry. I've been trying to lose my voice this morning. I don't know. What do you guys think? I love it. Like, I think it looks so pretty. So like I said, I will be posting all this stuff down in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I'm not affiliated with them. I did buy this with my own money. So I probably should reach out and see if she would like to affiliate with me, because that would be awesome, because I love Laura Geller. She has some really great makeup, and now that I'm like aging, I know that 37 is still young, but like I can already start seeing the changes in my skin, and I do want to take care of it And as you guys are aging with me, like give you guys different options rather than like liquid foundations that kind of set on your skin and get into your pores. I want to try something new. I'm glad I tried this because at first, like when I was trying it out, I was like, you know, and now that I've got it on, I love the way my skin looks. I feel like I look like a teenager again, although I don't. Like, look at like in my 20s, like my skin's just so glowy. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.